How to cancel Lyft ride. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel a Lyft ride. Now if you no longer need your scheduled or requested ride, now you can feel free to cancel it. However, you may be charged a cancellation fee in certain conditions. Now to cancel a ride, all you have to do is you'll have to open up your Lyft app here, and once you open up your Lyft ride, there you'll want to tap on the edit ride at the bottom left corner of the screen there, and you want to tap on cancel ride. Now you can cancel a ride within the first 5 minutes after pickup as well. After that, you won't be able to cancel it. You may be charged a cancellation fee if you cancel more than 30 seconds after the driver accepts your ride. After more than 30 seconds after you cancel after the driver has accepted your ride, if you cancel it, then you might be charged. Or if the driver should arrive within 5 minutes of the original estimated arrival time, then you might be charged the cancellation fee as well. Or if 3 or more rides in a 15-minute time frame, if you cancel 3 or more rides in a 15 minutes of time frame, then you'll be charged the cancellation fee as well. Now these fees go towards compensating your driver for their time and gas, and may vary based on how busy it is. What you'll have to keep in note is you can cancel a ride within the first 5 minutes after pickup if somebody else took your ride, or if there is another critical issue, or if you requested a ride for someone else, you'll be charged any cancel or no-show fees for that ride as well. So these are the ways you can cancel the ride on the Lyft and the cancellation process as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.